You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the last design structure we did that I gave everyone as exercise to go and practice and make sure they learn about it. So today we are making this as a design. We are turning this to a design. So take note of every steps that I make in this design, because I have made the video before on how to use the tools and how to do everything there professionally. So now stay tuned as we continue the video. So you are welcome once again. My name is Emmanuel Aramide. People do call me the admin media concept, and if this is your first time of watching this channel, you can please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get notified at any time that I drop a video like this. Now, so let's start working. As you can see, I have this circle here, I have this XX, and I have another one. So this layout is what we are using to design. Now this is what we do. The background is black, so firstly let's delete this. Let's have a plain backboard, so you understand. Let's have a plain backboard, a dashboard of plain. So this is the plain dashboard. Then come here to change your background color. That place only works for background. As you can see, my background has changed to black. Now what is the next thing we are going to do? The next thing we are going to do is to add our shapes. Now as you can see, the shape have something like round, so that round is called radius. So this is where we do it. So the shape is perfect like this. Now structure the shape very well. Structure, then copy it copy it again, copy it again. Now with this, as you can see, I am moving closer to the, but as we can see that this shape, it is long. So this is what we will do. Come to this layer, then select this mark button, then mark everything together. Then come to this edit, choose this one, relative size, then reduce the relative size. Now I think we have an error from beginning. So the error we have is that the shape, it is too long. I have make it long, but we can still do it. We can still do it like that. So let's readjust it. We can still go with this one. Yes, it's still okay like this. Now the first thing in the logo is, in the design, is logo. There is one logo at the top here. No, this is not an advanced design, but people are still using this style because some customers, this is what they want. But let's continue. We're going to be doing some advanced design, but we need to know the skeleton of design so we can know how we'll be able to create design whenever I want to create design. Now it's not like we are going to jump into design without knowing the basic. It is better and it is preferable to know the basic before doing the design. Now this is my circle. Then I will import. Okay, there's no way to import directly after doing circle. This is what we do. Tap on my circle and then come to texture. This is texture. Then tap it, select image from your, so this is my logo. As you can see, this logo is 4 corner, but the circle, it is the circle shape is going to cut off the round button, the round shape around it. So it's going to give me this round alone. As you can see, this is my logo. So now the next thing we have there is brand name. Let me use the admin as example. Yeah, so this is the admin. Now we won't make this thing more advanced. We just make it structure in small smaller, so we won't make it a structure that we have many settings. We just design it so we can do it more advanced later. Now this is the admin. Then we have media concept. You will realize that I added some XXS around the after the big one that is there. This is it. This is it now. This is it. So now the next thing we have there is our service. Design is very simple, and is not what that can take time like that. Design doesn't take much of our time if we know what we want to do. Then our services, note I said we won't make a lot of settings on it. Now let's bold this one. I don't want to change the font size, so let's bold it. So now let's list our services. Number one, we can just add these dots to let it make some, we are going to get there how to add some icon to your listing. Then we have number two, we have web design. Let me write it a full website design. Then we have programming. We have, let me add UI UX. We have UI UX. Then we have branding management. All these things deal with branding management. Let me say branding alone is okay. So what do we have again? We have video editing. These are my services anyways, so this is what I do. That is why it is called media concept, because it is conceptions of media. We have photo editing too. Then we have media personnel. Then we still have live and presentation. Presentation is okay like this. Let's just tap okay. So let's put that one under this. Okay, now it is very easy. So we can still do something to this our shape, so it's not going to destructure our design. This is what we do. Let's add another shape. So let's just add it like this without less the height being that much. So you get, so the height will not be much. Then we have another one. We can even make it 6. We can make it 6 based on our desire, but let's just pick 4 now. For now, let's pick 4. We will still go to how to add multiple pictures. You can add like 20 pictures to a design, and it's not going to do blah blah blah. You're going to overlay everything together. The layer is going to make sense, and you will have to structure it very well. So we start from normal design style. So when we get to the advanced one, that will be adding less flay and all other things, is not going to be confusing to us when we get to that realm. So we can move this one like this to make sure the structure is good. So we can still adjust this. You got that. So the next thing we have, the lower part is number. So let me just add my WhatsApp number now. +23403543302. So this is my number. Oh, I omit to. Okay, now this is my WhatsApp number. So here is my WhatsApp number. So I didn't have WhatsApp icon. So this is what we do. I can just write call, or I can ask call or message. Hope we all understand that. So we can even add that one here because we still have, but let me do it as our design structure, so I won't let everything go out of what we plan to do. So now I put this one. Okay, this one is making sense now, as you can see. So this place, you see that there's a lot of space, but we can still add our Facebook name here, our Gmail. We'll let all the fonts should not be, we should not take any of font. Our font should not be more than 3, at least 4 in design, so as a beginner. So that's one can. So now this is what we want to do. We want to be adding some images into this shape. So let's tap on the shape, then find texture. Find texture, just choose the texture and choose a design. Let's choose okay, let's choose this one first. As you can see, let's choose that one. Let me check out another design. Let's choose this one too. Okay, let me choose another one. Let me choose this one. Let's choose, I want the one that we are going to be choosing to have something like white background, so it's not going to destructure the settings we have been doing before. So let's just choose this one, which is, as you can see, our design is even completed. We didn't have any additional, so we just play around with this one, so to make sure we know about the structure of the design very well. The next thing we are going to do is to save as image. You see that no transparency. Now take ultra, don't let it be default. Take ultra, then export it. Your design is rendering and it has saved. So to maybe you want to access this design later, you don't want this design, you want to still edit it, then save as project. If you don't save as project, it is possible that you didn't meet it another time. You see it, practical, let's say practical 1, then save it. Now if I want to access it again, I come to this place, then my project, as you can see, practical 1. There's nothing changing. Thank you very much. Don't forget, my name is Emmanuel Ayomide, the Admin Media Concept. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and get notified whenever I drop a educational and graphics design or any media based, even coding like this, so you can be able to learn. I'll be teaching you bit by bit. I'm not like other people that will just do it for you in 4 hours. No, you have to take it step by step and practice consistently. Thank you. See you in the next video.